When you visit a website, what makes the text, images, and links come together into something structured instead of just plain words on a screen? The answer is HTML. In this video, we'll explore how HTML forms the backbone of the web and why writing semantic HTML is so important. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard for structuring web content. Think of HTML as the building blocks of a web page. It gives content meaning and hierarchy. Now, not all HTML is equal. Modern HTML emphasizes semantics. That means using elements that describe their role. For example, head defines the top section of a page. Nav defines navigation menu. Main defines the central content area. Article represents a piece of content like a blog post. Footer marks the bottom of the page. Why is this important? Semantic HTML improves accessibility. Screen readers can better understand the structure. It boosts SEO because search engines know what your content represents. Semantic HTML makes your site easier to maintain. Let's build a simple page. Open your code editor and type the following code. When you're done, save as index.html. With just a few tags, we've given our page structure that both browsers and assistive technologies can understand. HTML is the foundation of every website, and semantic HTML makes your site more accessible, more discoverable, and easier to maintain. In the next video, we'll move to the second major standard, CSS, the language that brings your pages to life with design and style.